Welcome back, biology scholars! This is the third and final video tutorial for the Biology Evolution Research Project. In the last video, you learned how to search for information in EDS, or EBSCO Discovery Service, and you also learned how to limit the results of your search. In this video, you'll learn how to evaluate information for your research project. I will outline a simple framework that will help you determine if a given resource is useful for your research project. As you will see when you begin searching, there's a great deal of information out there that will not serve your purpose as a researcher. As in the previous video, you will answer several review questions at the end of the tutorial. Ms. Markman will monitor your viewership and read your answers to the review questions. The framework that many librarians recommend for evaluating information has a very funny name that's easy to remember. It's called the CRAP test. C stands for currency. You should always check to make sure that the information you're using is recent enough for your research. Science disciplines often require the most up-to-date information, so sometimes you'll need to search for the most recent publications. As I mentioned in the last video, you can do this by limiting the publication date range. R stands for relevance/reliability. You should always think about how a source applies to your topic and how reliable that source is. A stands for authority/author. Think about who authored the source in question. Is it a single person or a corporation? Does the author have the credentials necessary to write authoritatively about the topic? Finally, P stands for purpose/point of view. Always consider the author's intent in publishing the source and his or her intended audience. Is the information intended to inform, persuade/sell, entertain? Is any bias evident in the source? To find the best information for any research project, you will need to evaluate all of your sources on each of these points. As you will learn through practice, there are some simple tricks for homing in on the best searches from the very outset of the search process. For instance, think back to the previous video in which I showed you how to limit your source types when searching in EDS. Using certain limiters will help you narrow down your results. That's all for now, biology scholars. Now you're ready to take on the in-class assignment, which will involve searching for information in your topic groups. Your faculty team is ready to help you, so get excited to do some research. See you in class.